Okay, so let's talk about growing on Etsy in 2022. Hey good people, it's your girl Alex at Defined by Alex. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Come on in. Thank you for joining. So in today's video, I want to talk about growing on Etsy in 2022. But more specifically, I want to focus on organic growth, okay? Because let's be honest, we all know that growing organically is the real flex, okay? So I want to talk about 3 things that I have been doing that has really helped me grow on Etsy, grow on this new platform, and you know, just get where I need to be when it comes to growing my Etsy shop, making money, and all that good stuff. I'm just about to jump right on in because I know you guys do not like having y'all time wasted, and we are here to get straight to the good things in life, okay? Which is learning how to grow our small businesses from home, learning how to grow on these online platforms, honey. I know it is a lot. So just stick with me and I'm gonna tell you some really good things for you to grow on your Etsy shop. So this first one may not be a surprise, but if you are new, I mean like brand spanking new, and you're new to like just online e-commerce spaces and things like that, then this first talking point is going to be important for you to consider. You want to make sure that you post listings often, okay? Now, depending on who you talk to, some people might suggest that you post them every day, you know, maybe like 2 times a week, 5 times a week. That I'm not going to sit up here and tell you it's a black and white answer, because it ain't. What I will suggest is that when it comes to posting listings often, I would definitely recommend that you do it more than once a week, for sure more than once in a month, because you want to make sure that the Etsy algorithm is noticing that your shop is growing, so that way they can push your shop to buyers that's looking for products, okay? Because let's be honest, we like that organic growth, we like the organic growth flex, and we like to know that we are staying consistent with our business, because that return, and I mean the financial return, friends, it's going to be so rewarding. So going back to make sure you're posting listings often, I would say this is definitely contingent upon what your schedule is. How often do you see yourself making the product to post and being able to take the mock-ups and stuff like that? This is all dependent on your schedule and what you have as far as flexibility. But the very first thing I want to just address when it comes to growing on Etsy in 2022 is that you upload them listings often, okay? That's on that. The second talking point that I want to bring up when it comes to growing on Etsy for 2022, and that's honestly being on social media. So for those of you, my fellow introverts out there, my fellow shy people but have a lot of magic in them, it is time for you to show your face, okay? It's time for you to pop out and show the world what you have been wanting them to see, my friend. So social media has been so successful for me personally in my Etsy growth, and I'll share my stats with y'all, okay? But when it comes to being on social media, specifically the TikTok, okay? And I was hesitant with TikTok, so I'm just in shock, honestly, that TikTok has helped my shop grow. Showing my business on TikTok has really helped my shop get a lot of views, and not only views, you guys, it's helped my shop get the views that I want. Because let's be honest, when it comes to buyers and your target audience, you want to make sure they land on your page, okay? That's why it's called target audience, your target market. Shout out to TikTok, okay? Because TikTok, that platform, and me making content about my small business has really had my Etsy shop jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. Like, it's literally just one of the best things that I feel like can help you grow as a new seller on Etsy. Even if you're seasoned and you've been doing this for a long time, social media, doesn't matter what platform, it's always going to help you get the eyes that you want for your business so you can start rolling in the dough, okay? All right, let's move on to number 3. Okay, so the third talking point that I want to bring up as far as growing on Etsy for 2022, this one's going to be a little bit fun because this is actually using the Etsy platform to learn how to grow your shop. So Etsy has this beta market search tool within the platform, and what that does is it pretty much allows you to see what people are searching on, like a, let's just say, a frequent basis, so like weekly, monthly, things like that. You can filter the columns however you want, especially whatever helps you really read data. But when it comes to this beta tool, y'all, when I tell you, when I found this, or when I saw that it was on my Etsy seller side, I was like, okay, let me see what this is. And what that has allowed me to do was really restructure my SEO, okay? Because again, going back to the beginning, we love that organic growth flex. So if I know what people are searching in Etsy, that means that gives me so much leverage to title my listings according to what people are searching. So this beta search tool is going to be your best friend. Now, I want to also speak on this organic growth a little bit more, because there are like external resources and Google Chrome extensions that you can download, but I want to speak to those of you who really like to focus on growing naturally. Before you use all these tools that people are going to recommend in and tell you to sign up for. I want you to really get used to understanding how to do your market research. And that's what this beta tool is allowing you to do. So it's allowing you to do the market research without having to sign up for something monthly that you have to pay for, or use a Chrome extension that takes a lot of data on your computer. You know what I'm saying? So I strongly advise that you use this tool to help you start programming your thoughts and your ideas when it comes to titling your listings, knowing what buyers are looking for, browsing for, all that stuff, and then, you know, just really sealing that deal when it comes to your Etsy shop. Okay, friends, so I just kept it real brief with y'all, but I wanted to really focus on these 3 free ways to grow your Etsy shop in 2022. 3 free ways that I'm personally growing my Etsy shop, and I just wanted to put that word out there for y'all so that way y'all could do the same thing. So thank you so much for watching today's video on learning how to grow your Etsy shop in 2022. Leave me a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are liking the vibes, okay? As always, my friends, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I'll be back in my next video. Bye, y'all.